Prakash, as far as the NIA is concerned, it could be possible that because the case has been registered under schedule offences, that of USPA, as our colleague Priyank has said, and also under sections of Explosives Act, the MHA is within its powers to transfer the case to the National Investigation Agency. When the last terror attack happened in Delhi, that was way back in 2011, that's 14 years back, the blast outside Delhi High Court attack was transferred to the NIA, newly formed NIA took over the investigation, and this is probably the second terror attack case that has happened in Delhi. After that, nearly 14 hours later. So it could be possible
in Delhi after that, nearly 14 hours later. So it could be possible that the case could be transferred to NIA. We have to wait and see that happens because the Home Ministry has called for a meeting at 9:30 a.m. That meeting will be chaired by the Home Secretary, as it could be possible that the Home Minister might also be attending that. The other aspect is that the initial report of the explosives that have been found from the spot has come up. Ammonia nitrate has been found from the spot, as well as other explosives have been found from the spot. Fuel oil, traces of fuel oil has also been recovered, or at least traces of that has been found from the spot, as well as detonators have been found. Now, this is very consistent with the recovery that was made yesterday from the Faridabad house, where the large amount of urea nitrate as well as ammonia nitrate was recovered.
But no shrapnel that has been recovered, that has been confirmed by the DCP there, but they are saying that they are still investigating the case as far as forensic analysis that is now being done. Priyank getting us this information that it is from Faridabad itself that we are looking at the movement of the car that first began, and that led up to the spot there near Red Fort where this explosion was reported last evening. So multiple linkages that are now coming in. Overall, that we're looking at this big picture of this investigation being carried out, continuously getting you these live and exclusive updates. You're watching